Protecting your metal, the importance of paint. Paint is not just about adding color, it's about providing a protective layer that can significantly extend the life of your metal objects. Metal is all around us. From the towering skyscrapers in our cities to the smallest screws in our gadgets, metal plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It's in our tools, our cars, and even our homes. We rely on metal for its strength and durability, but without proper care, it can deteriorate over time. But metal can rust and corrode, especially outdoors. Exposure to moisture, air, and other environmental factors can cause metal to weaken and lose its structural integrity. That's where paint comes in. By applying a coat of paint, you create a barrier that protects the metal from these harmful elements. Paint acts like a shield, protecting metal from the elements. It prevents moisture from seeping in, which is the primary cause of rust and corrosion. It seals the metal from moisture, air, and UV rays. This not only helps in maintaining the metal's strength, but also its appearance. A good coat of paint not only protects metal, it also makes it look better. The transformation can be quite dramatic, turning a dull, rusty surface into something that looks brand new. You can choose from a variety of colors and finishes to match your style. Whether you prefer a glossy finish or a matte look, there's a paint out there that will meet your needs. Whether you're painting a fence, a toolbox, or a piece of furniture, the right paint can give it a fresh, new look. It's an easy and cost-effective way to breathe new life into old items. But with so many different types of metal paints available, it can be tough to know which one to choose. Each type of paint has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. This guide will walk you through the different types of metal paints, their pros and cons, and how to apply them like a pro. We'll cover everything from primers to top coats and even specialty paints for specific applications. By understanding the basics of metal painting, you can tackle any project with confidence. You'll learn the best techniques for preparing the surface, choosing the right paint, and applying it for a smooth, durable finish. You'll be able to protect your metal surfaces and keep them looking their best for years to come. With the right knowledge and tools, you can ensure that your metal items remain in top condition, no matter what challenges they face. Oil-based paints have been a popular choice for metal for many years. They're known for their durability and rich, glossy finish. Oil-based paints penetrate deeply into the metal surface, creating a tough barrier against moisture and rust. One of the main advantages of oil-based paints is their slow drying time. This allows the paint to level out smoothly, resulting in a more even finish. Oil-based paints are also highly resistant to abrasion and impact, making them a good choice for high-traffic areas. However, oil-based paints also have some drawbacks. They tend to have a strong odor, which can be overwhelming in enclosed spaces. They also require mineral spirits for cleanup, which can be messy and time-consuming. Despite these drawbacks, oil-based paints remain a popular choice for metal surfaces. Their durability and rich finish make them a good option for projects where longevity is important. Acrylic paints have gained popularity in recent years due to their versatility and ease of use. Unlike oil-based paints, acrylic paints are water-based, which means they have a much lower odor and cleanup is a breeze. Simply use soap and water. This makes them particularly appealing for artists who work in small or poorly ventilated spaces. Acrylic paints dry quickly, which can be both an advantage and a disadvantage. The fast drying time allows you to apply multiple coats in a shorter amount of time. This is especially useful for projects that require layering or when you're working on a tight schedule. However, it also means you need to work quickly to avoid brushstrokes and lap marks. This can be a challenge for beginners, but with practice you can master the technique. While acrylic paints may not be as durable as oil-based paints, they are still a good option for many metal projects. They offer a balance between durability and ease of use, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor applications. They come in a wide range of colors and finishes, including matte, satin, and gloss. This variety allows you to achieve the exact look you want for your project, whether it's a sleek modern finish or a more traditional matte look. Acrylic paints are also available in spray cans, which can be a convenient option for small to medium-sized projects. Spray paints offer a smooth, even coat and are perfect for covering large areas quickly. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use paint for your next metal project, acrylic paint is a great option to consider. Its quick drying time, ease of cleanup, and variety of finishes make it a favorite among both amateur and professional artists. Whether you're painting a small decorative item or a large piece of furniture, acrylic paint can help you achieve a beautiful, long-lasting finish. Plus, with the availability of both brush-on and spray options, you have the flexibility to choose the best method for your specific project. So next time you're planning a metal painting project, give acrylic paints a try. You might just find they become your go-to choice. Section 4. Epoxy paints tough and long-lasting. When it comes to durability, epoxy paints are in a league of their own. These paints are specifically designed to withstand the harshest conditions and provide a protective layer that is second to none. They are known for their exceptional hardness, chemical resistance, and long-lasting finish. This makes them ideal for environments where surfaces are exposed to heavy wear and tear as well as harsh chemicals. Epoxy paints are commonly used in industrial settings, garages, and on floors. Their ability to create a seamless, glossy finish that is both attractive and functional makes them a popular choice for these applications. Epoxy paints consist of two parts, a resin and a hardener. These components must be mixed together in precise proportions to achieve the desired chemical reaction. When these two parts are mixed together, a chemical reaction occurs, resulting in a tough, durable coating. This reaction is what gives epoxy paints their unique properties, making them much more resilient than traditional paints. Epoxy paints form a thick, impervious barrier that protects metal from moisture, chemicals, and abrasion. This barrier is essential in preventing rust and corrosion, extending the life of the metal surfaces they cover. However, epoxy paints can be more challenging to apply than other types of paint. The application process requires careful attention to detail and adherence to specific instructions to ensure the best results. They require careful mixing and have a limited pot life, meaning you need to use the mixed paint within a certain time frame. This limited working time can be a challenge for those who are not experienced with epoxy paints. Epoxy paints are also more expensive than other types of metal paint. The higher cost is due to the superior materials and the complex manufacturing process involved in producing these paints. However, their exceptional durability and long-lasting finish make them a worthwhile investment for projects where toughness is paramount. The initial cost is often offset by the reduced need for maintenance and the extended lifespan of the coated surfaces. In addition to metal surfaces, epoxy paints are also used on concrete floors and industrial machinery. Their versatility and strength make them suitable for a wide range of applications, providing reliable protection in various environments. In commercial kitchens, for example, epoxy-coated floors are favored for their ease of cleaning and resistance to spills and stains. In warehouses, the durability of epoxy paint helps withstand the constant movement of heavy equipment and foot traffic. For those considering using epoxy paint, it's important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Proper surface preparation, mixing, and application techniques are crucial to achieving the best results and ensuring the longevity of the coating. Epoxy paints also offer excellent UV resistance, which helps prevent fading and degradation over time. This makes them an excellent choice for outdoor applications where exposure to sunlight is a concern. In summary, epoxy paints are a top choice for those seeking a tough, long-lasting, and versatile coating solution. Their unique properties and wide range of applications make them an invaluable tool in both industrial and residential settings. Section 5. Enamel paints, smooth and glossy finishes. If you're looking for a paint that provides a smooth, glossy finish, enamel paint is an excellent choice. Enamel paints are known for their hard, durable finish that resists chipping, fading, and scratching. They are commonly used on appliances, metal furniture, and automobiles. Enamel paints are available in both oil-based and water-based formulations. Oil-based enamel paints offer better durability and a higher gloss finish, while water-based enamel paints are easier to clean up and have a lower odor. One of the advantages of enamel paints is their ability to level out smoothly, resulting in a professional-looking finish. They also come in a wide range of colors, making it easy to find the perfect match for your project. Enamel paints can be applied with a brush, roller, or spray gun. For best results, apply multiple thin coats, allowing each coat to dry completely before applying the next. Section 6. Rust converters, battling corrosion. Rust is the enemy of metal, and if you're dealing with rusty surfaces, a rust converter can be your best friend. Rust converters are chemical treatments that convert rust into a more stable, paintable surface. Rust converters typically contain a substance called tannic acid, which reacts with iron oxide, rust, to form iron tannate. Iron tannate is a black, inert substance that acts as a primer, providing a stable base for paint. To use a rust converter, simply apply it to the rusty surface using a brush or roller. Allow the converter to sit for the recommended amount of time, typically 24 hours. Once the converter has dried, you can paint over it with your chosen metal paint. Rust converters are a valuable tool for extending the life of rusty metal surfaces. They are particularly useful for projects where complete rust removal is difficult or impractical.